This quick video will show you how to delete a business rule. Business rules are integrated into forms. As you can see, there's a contact I have open right now, and you can go into forms. So in forms, once you click business rules, you'll see a test rule that I have created there. You might wonder how to delete this rule, but there are certain requirements that you will have to do to delete it. But as you can see there isn't an option anywhere to delete it and get it removed. You can use this delete just to remove components and the conditions and whatnot, but it doesn't show any way for you to delete the whole rule. The only way you can delete it is to go into customization areas. You can close this. Settings, customization, customize the system, and then you have to pick the entity, which is contact. Under contact, you will see business rules right there. So over here, you can see the test rule that we saw in the form, and you can highlight that, select that, and click delete. And that should fully remove the rule from your system. Thank you very much. Until next time.